make your eyebrows look beautiful, So I'm going to be showing you. So this is what you do. You just saw me. You brush out your eyebrows. So you don't start from the top. Start from the down part and start from here. And when you are drawing your eyebrow, you don't rush it. Follow the line. And you don't need too much of it to make it look very natural. So you begin to fill. You fill it up. So you don't need to worry, my dear friend, if you don't even have a toe. You can do same. So you leave here. The reason is because you want it to have a natural look. Then you do the same here. I know many of you are like me. You don't have to. So you can do this. So remember, you don't fill the front. You leave it and brush it through. So give it that natural look that you want. That's why you see me, I didn't touch the front. You concentrate in filling the gaps in between. So now use your brush. Brush it up first. So you brush it like this. This is what you do. See, as I'm brushing it, it's as though it's my natural brush. Sorry. So you fill again. You fill again. I believe you got what I did there. So you don't brush down when you're starting your brow. You take it up. Take it up. Then you brush the inside to make it look very natural. Then you take here now. So you can give it a try and see. All right. I believe as I'm doing, you're also trying yours to see the result. So this is it. So you still check for the lapses you fill in. So that it don't look as if you have covered in some areas while some are left. So you fill it.